Today's Ask PXAi focuses on the first pillar to an IFE monetization, unveiling the key to optimizing your ROI. As we soar past the COVID crisis, your quest for sky-high returns meets a crossroads. The Wi-Fi IFE platforms are now hugely adopted by operators, especially as they bring along ROI opportunities. The aim of this video series is all about how to get the best return on such investment. In the pursuit of enhanced ROI, let's delve into the first pillar, direct monetization. Imagine transforming Inflight hours into profit-making moments. Firstly, we recommend you to leverage Inflight digital advertising. Imagine transforming Inflight hours into profit-making moments. Firstly, we recommend you to leverage Inflight digital advertising. The first step is to curate valuable ad spaces powered by state-of-the-art ad servers right on your platforms. Now you have the advertising spaces in place. The next step is to create your media kit, the document that will be shared with the potential advertisers, and eventually organize the advertising sales process. Then harness Onboard Sales. The first step is to create captivating and interactive digital catalogs for snacking and duty-free. Passengers can now seamlessly buy in flight, with even home delivery options. What's more, this experience not only boosts sales but also liberates cabin crews, allowing them to focus on customer care. And let's not forget the endless possibilities of such platforms, offering seat upgrade, in-destination services, and even a comprehensive in-flight marketplace. With direct monetization, every in-flight moment becomes an opportunity. Thank you for watching. In our upcoming Ask PXAi series, we'll be diving deep into the next two pivotal pillars, ensuring you have a comprehensive strategy for an unparalleled ROI. Ask PXAi your expert view on IFE stakes.